With the rise of flexitarian, vegetarian and vegan diets, the meat substitute market is growing, but it can be difficult to stand out with tasty products with the perfect texture you want. Today, we are gonna prepare a veggie burger recipe with pulses without compromising on taste or texture by incorporating our pulsable ingredients. For 600 grams of preparation, we need texturized vegetable proteins. We can use two types of TVP, chunks and granulated. In our recipe, we kept the chunks, which are larger in size and allow a good water absorbing capacity. But here we have replaced the granules with our pulsable wet bean and pea. They will add pulses without altering the taste and the texture of the burger, as would be the case, for example, with the pea proteins or pulse flour addition. Moreover, the ball shape is way better for the texture as it will bring more bite to the meat substitute. Then we add water, onions, oil and egg white powder. For a better binding capacity, we add a granulated wheat functional flour, our innocent sweet TM40. This flour will facilitate the shaping of the meat substitute by preventing the mixture from sticking, and will also improve the yield during the cooking with water and fat retention. For the taste and the color, we add malt extract, salt and aromatics like pepper, parsley and garlic. Now that you have the recipe, we can begin the preparation. Here we use a Thermomix to mix all the ingredients we have weighed beforehand until we obtain an homogeneous texture. We need 3 mixing steps to bind all the ingredients together. Just a point of attention, for a chewy texture it is important not to wing too much and to keep some small pieces. To allow the peps ball and TVP to absorb water, we only need a short hydration time. Let's put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now that all the water has been absorbed, we can proceed to the shaping step. We use a hamburger press. Our oval burger weighed 100 grams and the round burgers weighed 110 grams. Then comes the pre-cooking step. We schedule 12 minutes at 150 degrees in a steam oven. The final step is the grill. And that's it, our meat substitute is ready. We can now prepare our burger dish. On your left, the meat substitute was made with a mixture of pea protein and wet bean flour to add more pulses. However, there were difficulties during the shipping step and the final texture is too dry, firmer and less melting in the mouth. We can also feel a bitter aftertaste. On your right, here's the meat substitute we've just made together with our peps balls, wet bean and pea. In addition to an easier shaping, the final texture is better, more melting, juicy and chewy, with a much more natural and pleasant taste in mouth. This recipe allows the addition of pulses, so more protein, but with no compromise on the organoleptic attributes. Now it's time to taste your veggie burger. Enjoy your meal!